Want to try out the newest iOS 26 features before they officially launch for public in the fall? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to install iOS 26 public beta on your iPhone or iPad step by step. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure to create a fresh backup of your iOS device so that you can downgrade back to iOS 18 if you need to at a later stage. iOS 26 backups cannot be restored to iOS 18 powered devices, so keep that in mind. To create a backup, go to Settings, tap on your name, then tap on iCloud, tap on iCloud Backup, and finally tap on Backup Now. You can also use your Mac or Windows PC with Finder or iTunes to create a full backup. Now that you have created a fresh backup of your iPhone, go to Safari on your iPhone or iPad and open beta.apple.com. This is Apple's official public beta website. Here you have to tap on the sign up option, sign up with your Apple ID, and agree to terms and conditions. Now that your Apple account is registered with Apple's public beta program, you can head over to the Settings app and install the iOS 26 public beta. Go to Settings, tap on General, and here tap on Software Update. Now tap on Beta Updates. From the list, select iOS 26 public beta. Your iPhone should show the latest iOS public beta version here. You cannot see it on my iPhone because iOS 26 public beta has not been released at this time. However, it will be available when you are watching this video. Once you have selected the public beta, go back to the software update page. The update should now appear on your screen. Tap on Download and Install, agree to terms and conditions, and let your iPhone download the update. The download might take some time depending on your internet speed. And that's it. Your iPhone is now running iOS 26 public beta. Enjoy exploring all the new features early. If you ever want to leave the beta, you can follow this guide to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 26 back to iOS 18. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more iPhone tips and updates. See you in the next video.